You alright people, back again. We've got a spicy one today. We've got the Komodo dragon chili. Yeah, these are new on the scene. Supposedly rated at 1.4 million. Yeah, propaganders. Get two in the pack, in this pack anyway. Don't like the look of this one. Wait a minute. Yeah. Don't know what's up with that one. It's bruised or something. Anyway, we've got another one. Looks a bit, I don't know, habanero-y. Something like that. So what we're going to do, take a quick ganders inside. See what we're dealing with. Can't really smell much power. Very thick walled for a little chili. Let's take a few of these skeedlies out. I don't want any skeeds. Let's take a few out, eh? Silverline. Right. Let's go in. A game of two halves this. The Komodo chili. The Komodo dragon. Rated at 1.4. Yeah? Let's do it. Mmm. It's a bit hot. Bit fruity. Fruity. So, hiccups. Might be a burner this, a slow burner. Try to think. Komodo. Oh, no. It's burning the tongue now. Bit of a creeper. Komodo creeper. Try to think. It's a little bit naggery. Bit ghosty. Bit like a ghost pepper a bit. Bit fruity at first. Well, it's up to now it's just pure tongue burn. It's not really attacked the throat yet, really. Pure mouth burn. Mostly tongue. Couldn't really smell no power, you know, when I smelt it inside. Mate, that's about, I don't know if it's going to damage the throat yet, but it's a low 1.4 million. Just pure tongue burn. Curry on the tongue. I'm surprised. At 1.4 million, I'd be expecting severe throat burn. At the moment, it's just pure mouth, pure, mostly tongue. Hiccups have gone already. Komodo dragon. Where's the packet? Super hot. Use sparingly for an intense kick. Just pure curry on the mouth. Grown in Bedfordshire, UK. Grown by Salvatore Genovese, I believe. Mate. Easy that. I've had hotter. I've had a chocolate habanero that was hot. Hotter than that. And they're not even rated nowhere near 1 million. No throat burn as such. A little bit. I won't even say it's super hot. Well, to someone who ain't had into the hot chilies, someone who knows about them will know that that ain't too bad. Just wondering if the heat in the throat's going to kick in, but I don't think it is, to be honest. The Komodo dragon chili. How about no dough? You ain't got no dough. Here's the other one. I wanted to eat this one really because it looked more ripe, but it seems to be. I thought it was something stuck to it, but it's not. Don't know what it is. Wondering if a little critter's been at it. Some kind of bruising. Cruising for a bruising. Yeah. It's just pure mouth burn, that. It's heating up the belly now. But I didn't get no killer throat burn like you would. Like a maruga. Na 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 na. Curry on the tongue. For heat, I'd give that a 7. 7 out of 10 for heat. Bit fruity. I did bring this fella out, but I don't even need it, to be honest. I know every chili's not the same. You know, some range from this heat to this heat. This might have been at the lower end. No chili is identical in heat. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, so that's it, people, I think. That was the British Komodo dragon chili. About no dough. And yeah, that's it, people. I was expecting the worst for that. Rated at 1.4 million Scovilles. That'll do. Nice, it's alright. Probably about that. It's hotter than anything else you're going to get in Tesco's. Probably. I reckon a Scotch bonnet is on par with that, or a normal habanero. But yeah, that'll do. Thanks for watching, people. Yeah. See yous again. Curry! See yous later.
Come on.